How to use free time to earn money. What if you desperately needed something done in your life? Maybe you needed to fix your car or your home, but you have absolutely no money to do it. What would you do? Well, simply take a tip from the millions of people all over the world who've been in the same boat as you and simply barter for what you need. The concept of bartering can trace its history back to the earliest records of man. If you had something that somebody else wanted and in turn they had something you wanted, you would simply trade. The system of bartering is extremely efficient and it requires no paperwork or wages to be earned, but instead is simply a gentleman's agreement that will satisfy two parties at the same time. If you possess a particular skill or trade, then chances are you can find somebody to barter with. Hundreds of barter clubs have been formed all over the world and are popping up all the time. These clubs feature its members and the skills they possess and allow them the ability to communicate with each other to create specific barter relationships. Some people will do your taxes for free if you let them stay in your vacation home. Others will give you an old family car if you will paint their house. The types of barter arrangements are basically endless. Now, thanks to the internet, the system of bartering has brought people even closer together. Because there are some products and services that folks can provide electronically. Someone in the United States can barter with somebody in Russia. This is something that was generally never possible before the advent of the internet. One way to get involved in these online barter clubs is to simply begin making a list of all the skills and services that you can provide to someone. In addition, try to put a specific value on those services to help better gauge what your barter will be worth. Once you enter your information online, you can search for all the types of barter arrangements being advertised. If you find someone looking for your particular skill and they're offering something that you could use, then make the barter and reap the rewards. So remember, the next time your cash is low but your needs are high, bartering may just be your solution to getting exactly what you need.